Are you tired of the hassle of managing contracts manually? Say goodbye to clunky contracting and hello to streamlined efficiency with Salesforce and DocuSign CLM. First, imagine you're a salesperson checking your opportunities in Salesforce. You notice your customer is in need of an MSA. From the top menu, starting an MSA is as easy as hitting a button, Generate MSA. This will open DocuSign CLM in a new tab, allowing us to see the information pulled in from Salesforce automatically, and adjust the finer details of the contractual agreement. In this case, we're going to have a non-standard contract. We'll set the start date, the contract term, days to pay, and days to provide a termination notice. From here, we set the governing law and limitation of liability. Easily toggle between variations of approved clause language. After pressing Next, our contract will start to be generated. On this screen, a preview of your contract appears. You still have time to go back and make changes and generate your preview again. Or if everything looks good, save it and the MSA is set into motion. Back in Salesforce, we can refresh and see the newly generated contract, along with specific details we're pushing back to the record, such as when it was last modified and current status. Based on your business process, the document will route accordingly. Because this contract has a non-standard term, it's moving to the legal queue for review by legal to ensure the terms are accurate. Notifications can be sent via email, Slack, or seen in the task queue. Let's navigate to DocuSign CLM to see what it looks like from a legal user's point of view. Switching to DocuSign CLM's legal dashboard, legal users find everything they need. For example, we have reports based on contracts awaiting approval, contracts sent, documents in the watch list, effective MSAs by governing law, and recently accessed documents. In the reports, they spot the contract that needs review with all the essential details handy. Before moving ahead, let's point out some of the key functionalities within DocuSign. We can navigate to the Info tab at the top to see any related documents, modification time, creation time, and file type. Next is the Attributes tab, which is very important for tracking data for customers. Here we can see the document name, type, and the party associated. We also have an Activity tab to show the current stage of the document. Legal users can make comments and tag people, and they'll be notified via email. They can also add an obligation to a section of the document. This is a specific name, date, and description of the task that needs to be completed. After saving, this obligation is tied to the contract, so it's visible at the account level. We also have some tools along the top navigation header. These are customizable based on user groups and personas. One of the more useful available options is Document History. Using Document History, you can easily view the complete contract history, making auditing easy. See details like views, comments, workflow updates, versions, and more. Now let's navigate back to finish the document. First, let's add a comment that it's been approved. Then we click Complete, returning us to the Tasks screen. Legal users can see tasks assigned to their legal group from the Tasks queue. They can click and claim a task or assign it to another user, which will trigger a notification. The human steps in your business process are customized based on your company playbook. In this example, only legal was involved. In your workflow, there might be redlining, finance review, or executive approval. It all depends on your business process. Using parties easily track all customers at a high level, with visibility into things like active contracts, contract hierarchy, total contractual spend, and whether the MSA is active or not. Lastly, let's see how seamlessly Salesforce is updated along the way because of the out-of-the-box integration with DocuSign CLM. The information that we've updated is being reflected here, such as the current stage being negotiation. The DocuSign CLM file widget also shows updated details, such as the fact that it's awaiting signature. These updates can be customized based on your business processes. Once the process is complete, continue your sales cycle in Salesforce. See how Salesforce and DocuSign CLM make contract life easier? Want to know more? Reach out for a custom demo today.